Next, we have a motion detector with a dimmer. First, let's prepare the motion detector PD-1. If there are already batteries inside, take them out and wait at least 30 seconds. The detector must be without power so it can send the learning command when the batteries are inserted. Now, let's move on to the dimmer dim one. Hold down the programming button for more than 2 seconds to enter programming mode. Insert the battery into PD-1. The detector will send a learning signal. The red LED will blink briefly and the LED on the dim one will confirm successful pairing. Finally, briefly press the prog button on dim 1 to exit pairing mode, and now you just need to activate the detector with movement. And that's it. PD-1 is now properly paired with the dim 1 dimmer and ready for normal use. Now, we'll pair the window contact WDC-1 with the single output unit OS1 using the same procedure. First, let's prepare the VDC-1 contact. If it already has batteries inside, remove them so that when we insert them again, it can send the learning command. Take them out and wait at least 30 seconds. On the OS1 unit, hold down the programming button for more than 2 seconds to enter programming mode. Insert the battery into VDC-1. The contact will send the learning command, and the LED on OS1 will confirm successful pairing. Finally, we exit pairing mode on OS1 with a short press of the programming button. Now, all you need to do is open or close the sensor. The VDC-1 contact and the OS1 unit are now properly paired and ready for use.